Yes, sir.
Okay. The TV only, the sound doesn't come. Okay, everybody, if it is problem now, you just text me in there because if I start TV over here, sound doesn't come. If it is clear, please type here, huh?
Yes, sir.
Kirti and Devi, please text whether clear or not.
Okay, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, clear.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same problem. Okay, text me here if I have any doubt or any queries. Okay. 16.55. That is first and last is broadcast, network and broadcast, na? Okay. Kirti is clear. Devi clear. The text.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Yes to no sound only from yesterday. Okay, fine. Okay, now to find out this range, we have one formula. If I do the screen, now the audio I don't receive from that side. That's the problem. Can you take in a mobile phone? I'll stop my screen. Very small. Network I can share from my side, no problem. If I do, I cannot listen their voice. That's the problem. This is a formula for finding out range. Like I got up to 16. Correct. If it is 8,000, how will you do? Capital N, not small. Small n is for number of octet. This is also from octet, but from the effective octet. Effective. Not effective. Effective. Like for example, I have given slash 20, correct? What does it mean? 8.8.4.0. We know there are three classical address. One is 8.0.0, next is 8.8.0.0, another is 8880, correct? The first two one is matching. 8.0.0, but third one is not matching. So there is an effect on this. Yes or no? We have default subnet mask, correct? Let us write it down. We have something known as default. Default subnet mask. What are those? 8.0.0.0. Next one is 8.8.0.0. And the last one is 8.8.0. Correct? This one I have done that day only. Remember? Now in year 20, first one is matching, correct? 8 is there. So no effect on it. Second one, double end is there. No effect on it. Yes. But in here, there's some missing value. How many is missing? 4. So if I use my formula, to the power 4, how much? It came 16 up here. So it will start from 1 and go to 16. That is how I found out quickly. Next, I have given you people slash 3, correct? Here 8.8.7.0. How many is missing? What does it mean? 2. Correct. That means it will come up to here. 1.0 to 2.255. Clear? Understood? I have given one more 27. 25. You got how much? 128. For that, nothing to change because 8.8.1 nothing is affected. So it come into one range, 1 to 127. Correct? Understood?
Yes, sir.
I'll off my this one now. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Very clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is the other one.
So can you explain it again because my network was not working.
Okay. Check. Now it's working.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I was saying that yesterday I have given some homework 20, 23 and 27, correct?
Okay.
And one more I have given 25. So I have to find out the range. If it is for 2409 say it will come up to here. How it will come? Like 0 to 55, I cannot go exceed, I will carry 1 over here. 2. So it will come like this. I think this part you understood, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, if it is 16, fine. If it become, for example, 19, so it will become 8000 something. It is not possible to find out this range manually. So we use this formula 2 to the power n. What does n
Okay.
means? Number of off bits of affected. We have 3 octets by default. Correct?
Okay.
So from these, wherever you see something missing, you have to add the power over here. Like for example, 20. 20 means 8.8.4. That means these two are, these patterns are matching. I don't have any problem. But here I have a problem. Here it should be 4, but it is 8. Correct?
Okay.
So how many is missing? 4. So I'll put here 4. So it becomes 16. So my range was from 1 to 16. If I do for 23 also same thing. I will do one thing. Do for 22. Everybody do for 22. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Maybe do for 22. Use
Yes,
this
sir.
formula. Correct. So range will be range. Correct. So if I do for 22, I'll get like 8.8.6.0. So if I do here, how many is missing? Yes, 2 is missing. Correct. It should be 888. It is not triple 8, it is 86.
Yes,
So I'll
sir.
put 2 to the power 2. How much I will get? 4. So the range will start from here to here. Clear? Kirti, Devi, Yash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Now next. These are the yesterday's homework we have done. Okay. Everybody do for 19. Write it down. Home class work 19. Do for 15. For 21. 3. 19, 15, 21. And after doing it, send a screenshot. Everybody in your WhatsApp. After that, I will start next topic. Do and send screenshot. Then they'll understand you're doing. Everybody who are online also or offline also. All screenshots should come. Done. Huh? Send in the group. Send. Okay, send in the group. We've done. Was done. Was done. Let me check. Kirti, wrong. 15 number is wrong.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt about that.
Okay, hold a second. Keep your doubt. I'll see others one also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
21 is correct. 19, 7. Correct. Only 15 is wrong.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Other send. Oh, sending. Yes, Devi, send quickly. Acha, here somebody send. Acha. This is yours. Who is this? Where are the one wrong? 15 number is wrong.
Sir, we have to take 8 na sir.
I-
9.
I don't know. Wrong means wrong. Okay, for everybody one is check karo, right?
Sir, we have
Send
to put
in
9.
the group, send in the group.
Again here. Remaining 2 are correct na sir.
15 is wrong.
9.
Everybody said. If it is wrong also send.
Number 1.
The photo and send. Just write a name over there. This is his. Do and send. Okay.
Here 1 is missing. 1 plus we have to fill this one also. No? 8.
See, here one is missing. So how much? One is 8. It is 60. You have to take it 3 quarters 8. So 8 plus 1 9.
Nine. What position me?
Is it correct or not? Okay, yes, we have to. So 8 dot 7, 15 dot. Okay. Then we have to fill 1. If we add 1 to 7, it will become 8. 1 plus again we have to fill other also. Another 8. 24. 1 plus 8 is 9. So 2 to the power of 9 is 5. 5. Whether it is correct or not, I don't know.
ಇವನು ಅದೇರಾಮೆ
You got 192.68.5. You take it as 8. So 8 plus 1, 9. I don't know.
Done.
15 is 5 plus.
How factorial will come? Okay, let's do it. No, who have sent? Let me check first. Who is this? Shweta sent. Where is the range, Shweta? No, this is the Shweta Venkat. Where is the range? Venkat? Range. Oh, you're on leave. He stays in Venkat. Where is the range? Oh, you're writing now. Do it. This one who's Shweta. If I see this one, I'll do it like this. Give proper photo. See how it came. Make the straight and click. Don't do any slide and all. 32 for whom? Okay. Yeah, then next who's left? No. Devi, where your one? No. Wrong. Shifting, everybody is wrong. Okay, let's do. Those two are correct, I know, because I have from the 15. Intentionally I get 15. Okay. What does 15 means? 8 dot 7 dot 0. If I do 2 to the power n, I will get 2, correct? Now, IP address 192.168.1.0 I'll start. 1, 2 na. How to? Eight dot 7.0.0. How much is affected? 2 to the power 1 is how much? Why are you asking how to? Come on, you only say 2, now you only say how to. Up here clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, where is the effect? Effect on the second octet. So the change will come on the second octet only, na, one time. 192, 168, 169.
Yes, sir.
255, 255. What happened? Second octet, na, you are changing your second octet.
Yes, sir.
Okay, whichever effect. So 1 and 2 change, ending to last. Wherever you get the effect, that octet will change. There you have to plus. If I give 999 plus 1, what will do? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. No, no. 1000 will make.
If
If
you are
I,
telling it will be 192.169 now.
obviously, 168 is 1, 169 is second, and the last will be 255, 255. So you are starting from 0, correct? What again? Understood? Sure? Okay. But, whenever you get your CIDR value, whatever your CIDR value, whichever bit is affected, first, second, third, whichever is affected, by default, first one will never affect. It is 8. Nobody can change. After that, it will affect. Second octet, third octet. So where you change, see the effects are there, how many additions are there, just add there. Just add. This is what you do, like 99 plus 1, what you do? Like here what I have done, I got 2. Okay, I got 2 over there, so 168 is already there. 1.0. I added on the second octet, 169. That's it. And then rest is last one, 255, 253. If no 3 it will not come now, because next what will come? It will become here 6 if I am making it less. If I make it 6, it will become 2. It will become 4. That means it will become No, not 172. It will become 171. 68 is there, na? 68, 69, 70, 71. If you 272, it will become 75. What happened? What confused? Simple plus I have done. Same way you have to do, whichever you do. These are entire range, na? Like see. 168, 169, 170, 171, 4. 1.0 starting. Next one 192, 168, 1.1, 1.2. It finished to 55. Again 1. 884 means third octet 4 now. So first two will be exact same. Third one will change. Depending on the octet.
Oh.
Not one, finish. You have to finish it out. Last one, 255. Last one is the bottom side. Not one, 250 or 255.
Okay.
Octet you have to finish. Third octet last, third octet, fourth octet last. Always the last octet becomes shortcuts. When you're changing on the second, all two will be 255. When you do on the third,
two will be 255.
When you do third, only 4.
last octet you do 55.
That's it.
Kirti, Yash, any questions, any queries?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can understand, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, now next topic is grouping. Last topic. So before I start group, I'll give one more. Do it. Do for slash 14 you do. Simple. 1 4. No, 14 I have done this now. Do for 13. 1 3.
Okay, sir.
For 13 you'll go using. Devi, Yash and Kriti, if done, send me in WhatsApp. After doing, send a photo. For 13, 1 3. One more thing, I am using 192, 168 now all the time. Remember, earlier practicing, it can be any IP address. Tomorrow when I will take 10, I will give 30, you will say, sir, how it became 10, you have given 192. It can be any range. I am just taking one default 192, 168. Do 13, take it, take a snapshot, take to the group. Kirti and you both, Devi, you have to do it.
Sir, I sent you, sir. Sir, I sent you.
Tell.
I sent you, sir.
You send me. In Skype? No.
No, in WhatsApp.
I got it. 8 5 means 3 3 means 8 68 69 68. Correct.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Perfect. Chalo, you understand. I'll wait for others, okay? Devi, say quickly. Devi. File like this, the cloud training.
your it is wrong here. Use this. But you are wrong.
No, I am.
This is wrong. 168, right. 169, 0. 169.
You have to change their number. 168 is there, na? 169 you have to fill up now when two counts. Just 168 please. 168, 169, up to 174 is range. Between 168 to 174 is range.
You understood. See here, 192.168.110, 192.168. This is 2.255. Again, 192.169 you have to make. Again,
No, we started with 169 to we have to change only second octet only. Remaining both are
100.
only.
So here all 100 will come.
No, 265.
All 255.
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
You show me all.
I got directly. First number and last number directly. Okay. You can do.
Okay, so what you are telling is third number is 255.
Yes. Just the first number only 192 dot 168 dot 1 dot 0 is there. No? Then we have to fill up third and fourth octet also.
Send in WhatsApp. Shweta has sent up to 75, correct? 75. Okay, fine. Okay, now last topic left. Practice this properly. Grouping is last part. In 3 days, IPRS is over. Tomorrow I will do grouping and I will finish it. So practice this properly, range and finding out client. This is very, very important. Tomorrow grouping is only for employees. You don't use grouping in CCNA. So that is less important, but you have to know. So I will teach you. Okay? So up to here practice. You need multiple practices. It's not like that one day, 2 days you will do, you say, yeah, I remember everything. No, not possible. You need practices in CCNA. This is very important topic. Is it fine? Kirti? Baby? As per name. Okay, then see you tomorrow. Okay?
So this is constant.
Bye.